What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man, back with another video today. This is not a got 'em early video because I don't got them, and as far as I know, pretty much no one's got them because these haven't been leaked. I haven't seen any videos posted about these shoes from anyone that I know, and I do have them in hand. I just don't have them here. I was at Maniere this morning for the in-store raffle signups for the airship. I'll tell you more about the airship in a minute. And they had it on the shelf, so I got a quick little video for you. First though, I want to share a word from our sponsor. This is John 3:15. We all know John, maybe not all of us, many of us know John 3:16, that God so loved the world that he gave his only son. But 15, the verse right before that, it has something that is echoed in John 3:16 that I think is really important for everyone to know and really understand. And John 3:15 says, so everyone who believes in him will have eternal life. And that's further on in John 3:16, 17. All we have to do is believe. And that sounds so simple. And I think there's a little bit more to it, because when we truly believe, we have a change of heart and a lot of things can change for us. But it says only believe. It doesn't say that when you believe and then you start being perfect, or when you believe and then you stop sinning, or when you believe and then you automatically go on to live some righteous life that looks entirely, completely different and void of all sin than it did before. It's not that. We don't have to be perfect, and it's just about believing that he died for our sins on the cross. He did that for us, and that all of those sins are forgiven through his work only. So I read that one this morning, and it's not often that you hear about John 3:15. We normally hear about John 3:16, and like I said, it's echoed in 3:16. If they say it twice in the same chapter, it's got to be pretty important. So we got some threes out on the table today. This is the Maniere 3. This is the Dark Iris 3 that just came out today. Picked up my Foot Locker this morning, and we have this one out here because this is the Maniere 3. So Maniere, they had the 3. The 3 was, I think, the sneaker of the year, almost hands down. I mean, of course, it's arguable, but most people agree this was the sneaker of the year a couple years ago. The 2s and the 1s kind of flopped. They're just nowhere near as good as this. We get the 4s, the Maniere 4s. Later on this year, I think they're supposed to come out in November. Can't wait for those. But Hesper and I went to Maniere today for the airships. I was wearing my pennies, my social status pennies. She was wearing the social status free lunch strawberry milk dunks. And if y'all don't know, the Whitaker Group owns both of those. I think it's Whitaker. So they're sister companies. We actually picked up our social status free lunch swag at Maniere. These were given to us. So they're interchangeable. They also have Union collab stuff there too, like the Union stuff drops in the store there too, which is pretty cool. So anyways, the airship. The airship is the precursor, I guess you could say, or the inspiration for the Jordan 1. Before Jordan had his own shoe, the Jordan 1, there was the airship, and that's the shoe that he originally started playing in. There's a Netflix series about sneakerheads, and they're in search of the Jordan 0. The airship is kind of the Jordan 0. I don't know if there's something else in between, like release something else in between, if that was just hype for the movie, the show. But it looks a lot like this, just not quite as good in my opinion. You don't see airships retroed very often at all. This is a white and I think royal blue is what it's called, hyper blue maybe. Colorway's all right. I could do with a little bit less white, but I don't think any YouTuber has posted videos about this. If you're interested in the story behind it, because Social Status and Maniere, they have a lot of story behind their shoes, then check out their website. I don't need to reiterate what they've already said. But as far as the in-hand on this goes, seeing it in person, it was a lot nicer than kind of what I thought it might be. I couldn't get a good look or good feel with the leather without feeling it. So I felt it today. Feels pretty good. Go ahead and watch this. We'll be back in a minute. This is the Jordan Maniere Airship. Nike Air, classic Nike Air on the back heel, Nike Air on the tongue, Maniere also on the tongue. I was looking around for some other hidden messages, didn't see any. There's a lot of those on Maniere shoes, just not on these. And it's pretty good leather. The white is not bad, looking pretty good. So it's pretty cool that they actually had it on the shelf. I went in for several other social status and Maniere in-store raffles. They never have them sitting around so you can see them. There's only supposed to be like 2,300 pairs of these, I think, and they're all numbered. So the exclusivity on this goes up. And in my opinion, it's just like, I think we're all kind of sneakerheads. All of us sneakerheads, or whatever you want to call us, we have some influence from Jordan, from Michael. And the fact that, plenty of people are hyped about ones. The one craze is kind of dying off with the market. And fours and maybe some other silhouettes are maybe getting a little bit more hyped than ones. But with the airship being where it all started, it really got big once he had this. If he didn't actually get signed with Nike and get his own signature line, or his own brand, really, I don't know what would have happened with Jordan. I don't know what would have happened with sneakers. I don't know. We don't even know what would have happened with Nike. If Nike hadn't actually gotten him and kept him, Nike might not be what it is today. But it kind of all started with the airship, because that's what he was using to begin with. And of course, it's a Nike Air. It's very similar to this. So y'all saw it in the video. Leather was pretty nice, so I'm excited. Hopefully I'll be able to hit on that. Supposedly when you get the in-store, you're not guaranteed a pair, but you're likely to get a pair. The only other one that I was actually able to hit was even get in on was the social status pennies. And those actually sat on the Orlando colorway, sat on their website. I think the other color might have sat too for a little while. For an hour or so. So it wasn't that one wasn't too hard to get. Seeing how the market's going right now, maybe this one won't be either. I hope it won't, even though it's pretty exclusive. So I'll keep y'all updated for that, but I wanted to get this video out. I know it was only 24 or 25 seconds worth of video, but it's more than you've seen from any other YouTuber. I wanted to do another quick update on the giveaway. The 2,000 subscriber giveaway, I had a random comment that I chose at random to win the shoe of their choice, and I posted it on the live video was posted. I posted here on YouTube, a YouTube post, making sure that I informed everybody. You need to go back and watch the live. You didn't have to be on the live, but you got to get in touch with me to claim your prize. And I also posted on Instagram, you got to get in touch with me. Make sure you watch it so that you know if you won, so that you can get in touch with me. Nobody ever got in touch with me. So unfortunately, then I gave them until last Friday, and it's now Wednesday. So I gave y'all plenty of time. I'm going to be choosing another winner at random. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to communicate that to y'all, but I'll get that out soon. Y'all can comment down below, tell me what you think about another live, quick live, or something like that, or just post it in a video. X got the runner-up to the most valuable sub. I've already given her a consolation prize, even though there wasn't going to be a consolation prize at all. I felt like her and Miss Daisy Chung, Grandma, I felt like they both went way above and beyond, and it was actually really hard for me to choose. So I gave her a consolation prize. There was no time limit for the most valuable sub to tell me what shoe it is that they wanted that I could get to them. I think Miss Chung was waiting on her grandson, talking with her grandson to see what he might want. So she may not be taking the prize for herself. She's giving it to her grandson. So I'm waiting to hear from them, and we'll arrange that. Jelly Donut was in the live and won the live giveaway. I had another giveaway for there. He ended up, if you go back and watch the live, it was either one or two different pairs of slides that I have, or a gift card to a shoe place. He actually wanted an Amazon gift card, so I just gave him an Amazon gift card. I think that was it. So 3 out of the 4 prizes have been given. 2 out of the 3 prizes have been given away. Yeah, 2 out of 3 prizes have been given away, and just waiting on Daisy to let me know what she wants, and hopefully we'll be able to get some extra footage of that shoe being received here, and maybe even him wearing it to show y'all. Somebody asked me, I think I was playing Apex with some kid that I got to subscribe, and he asked me if my giveaways were real to people ever question me. So I know that at least Al Fantastico, he comments every now and then. He won one of the pairs of shoes from the 500 sub giveaway, and I can't remember her name, but she wanted a gift card. I think she got it to Finish Line. She's here every now and then, and she follows me on Instagram. So those are people that have received prizes from me, just to confirm that in case there was any question. So, let me know what y'all think about the airship down below. It's definitely not hyped, but it's better than a 2 in my opinion, and it's an Maniere collab. It doesn't look like trash like the 2s. So, y'all let me know what you think about that collab. And if y'all are feeling it, if you're not feeling it, just let me know down below. Make sure you leave a comment, smash that like button, tell your grandma about the airship, and I'll see y'all next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Choose. Ah! Shoes. And I like shoes.